got another mailbag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8. Some big items here. This is a resistor capacitor. This is a book. So I bought another sample book. So now I have 3. Oops. Sample book. Comes with some pages. So, oh, I still have those. I got these last time, and I still haven't put them in a book. I haven't flattened them out either, so I'll just stick them in here. I'll go in this book. You gotta pop these holes out. And these are, it's not really going. These full-size ones, full-size pages. These ones are really big too. These will hold, they'll hold anything, which is really cool. And then you got these zippered ones. Of course, they'll hold anything too because they're really big. Putting these the right way. I think I got 4 of these. I think I'm going to get one book and just fill it up with all these things for the bigger items and stuff. Oops. Well, this is almost not going to fit in this book. This is taking me a long time to do. I probably should have done this on the video. Alright. So there you go. I got the zippers. Go ahead and close those. They're not. See, man, they really messed those up. I put them in the middle. Got 4 zipper compartments, 2 full size, and 2 business cards. And I already have one of those and one of those in the other book. So now I got a whole empty book. Alright, what's next? Screw. Oh, these must be standoffs. These are assorted standoffs, I think. If I can get that off. Tape is. Why they right on that? I tell you. Yeah, this is a nylon, assorted nylon pack of screws, bolts, and standoffs. I think these are M3s maybe? M3 standoffs. Yep. Looks like there's 1, 2. Looks like there's 6 different sizes of standoffs. So those should be pretty cool. I should be able to use these. Yep. Nice, seem to work pretty good. I got plastic ones, so I don't have to deal with the conductivity of them if they are if they touch something. But if you want something more rugged, you get the brass ones. But these are pretty cheap. I don't have a good amount. I have like some old standoffs that I don't have enough standoffs. I have some shitty, really things I've salvaged from. I have some standoffs I've salvaged from equipment, but nothing nice. This seems pretty nice. Electrical equipment and supplies. Oh, these are knockoff Wago connectors. Well, they feel pretty cheap. They feel pretty knockoffy. They are real cheap. So the idea is you pull these levers up. Yeah, it opens up the holes, and then you put your 2 wires in, and then you close them down, and it's supposed to grab them pretty good. So I would use these for just quick bench test setups, not for anything permanent. I think the real ones you can leave in service, but these are garbage. But for just prototyping stuff and hooking stuff up. LED chip. It's a big package for what I can only imagine is tiny LEDs. Dear you. It says Dear you. That's great. These are, I think these are APAs. Yeah. God, they're so small. How do you even use these? Wow, you have to use a pick and place to put these down. There's no way you can do these by hand. No way. That is a tiny LED. That's impressive. All right. I don't know. TKDB12B68. Don't mean nothing. Okay, these are even more. Okay, let's get them open. These are, I'll have to get 2 of them out. Where is there? There's 4, okay. Jeez. So these are binder rings. Oh, jeez. I don't know how you're supposed to get them open. They're like painted shut. Okay, there you go. Jeez. Alright, so I guess the idea is that you can get a notepad or some of these and just have them like that. And you can bind a whole notepad together of things and have an open binder with no cover. And that'd be good for hanging, or if you're working on, I guess you could pull sheets out and put it in here. Or I was probably going to get a notepad to put in these things because they're kind of cool. But they're pretty neat. I'll probably find some way to use them. So there's 4 of those, so I can make 2 pads. Drill bit. I'm trying not to cut things open. Alright, this is another twist drill I ordered. This one is a little nicer than the other one in that, although the collet's not very nice, it's not even centered. Well, this actually is not as nice as the other one. Okay, so I'm so confused. There's collets on both ends. But it's just a twist. I guess he just... comes with some little drill bits. One's missing. One of the fine drill bits is missing. Interesting. That's kind of a problem when your drill bit doesn't center in the collet. Uh-oh. Alright, well, I'll find that later. That's weird. Look at the way those threads are. They're ground horizontally through the thread. That's very interesting. I've never seen that before. Oh well, it's really not a tool. That's a piece of garbage. Huh. I'm probably never going to use that. It's really cheap. Really cheap and crappy. Wafer connector. Alright, some more connectors. These wafer connectors, the kind of semi-locking. These are the 3-pin females, or board headers, or male headers, but female jack. This is electrical equipment and supplies. Some kind of banana jack to alligator clips. 2 sets. that's it. Till next time.